Hey, and welcome back. So programming languages, some of them originated from others. So for example, we have some C-based languages. These are languages which are generally descendants of C, and they inherit some things from C. Languages like Java, C++, JavaScript, PHP, you'll find a lot of the syntax of these languages always have some commonalities, and that is because they are descendants of C, plus any others that I haven't mentioned here. They will have similarities in how the syntax is written and how certain things are handled in the languages. So in the last video, I told you that we are going to look at some data types that are somewhere here in C. Let me see. So it's just what I discussed in the last video. If you look at this, we have the character types. So they can be grouped into, generally can be grouped into this. So you have a character type that basically contains things such as single letters and special characters. And then you have numerical integers. So this will handle numbers. They can be whole numbers, negative numbers. And then you also have the floating point types. They will handle decimals. So if you have any kind of decimals, you would need to use one of the data types that fall under this. Then we have the Boolean type. Boolean type are essentially two values, yes or no, that is true or false. If a statement is true or it is false, the Boolean will only hold these two values, true or false. It's either true or false. So if I come down to this table, I can see I have character types. You can have the car. If you have just one character, you can declare it as a car or care. You can declare something like car. If it is to be just one single character, you can declare it as this. Then also depending on the bits and all this, but these are all in C, so you don't really have to worry about this if you'll be learning another programming language. So in integer, we have signed or unsigned. So in signed, it basically means that this has a plus or a minus, but in most cases you'll just find this is not even put. You'll just declare your variables without really using this. So here we have this short int. At some point here you may declare a variable like a short int. You can have unsigned and signed. So unsigned don't have any sign before them. That is the plus or the minus. And then floating points, we have float or double. So if you want a float number, this is a number with a decimal. A double also a number that can handle decimals. Then you have long double. This one, if it is a large number, decimals. Then we have the Boolean type. Then we have this void. This is just non-existent. So this looks like some things that if you're interested in C, you'd come here. If you're not, you just ignore this. It doesn't really matter for you. You learn whatever data types are there in the language that you will be learning. But it's essential for you to know that different programming languages have certain things that are specific to them. Data types may also be specific to them. So one data type in one particular language may not be available in another programming language. So let's continue in the next video.